This is how you can customize your OneDrive view. Now, there's a lot of OneDrive haters out there, and I understand it, especially if you come from Google Drive. It can be pretty annoying. But the fact is, we do have almost unlimited storage space, and they're adding new features every day, including video streaming and a lot of other cool stuff. So we do need to start making it work. There's a new OneDrive for Business app, which everyone will get soon, and it lets you manage everything on your computer. It's really handy, but there's some pretty cool stuff you can do here if you know how to configure your view, your OneDrive view. Now, it would be really nice if you could just go here where it says all and click these little dots and make a new view, but you can't. You actually have to create a view. So we're going to create a view. Now, a view is just the way that you look at your files, and I want my files to look the way they do on my computer instead of the way OneDrive thinks I need to look at them. So I'm going to go to Standard View, and I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to call it My View. Okay, you can call it anything you want, it doesn't matter. Just make it public. This way, if you share a folder to somebody, they also have the opportunity to see it. This is from left to right what you will see. So the type, the name, modified by, sharing. I'm actually going to switch these two, modified by to 4 and sharing to 5. It automatically flips it. This will show me when I created it, or when it was when it was changed and who changed it. I think everyone always wants to know that. I'm also going to go created by, file size, shared with, and maybe shared with details. All right, and version. And I'm going to put version and position number 6. There we go. All right, sort first column. I'm going to say modified. That will show me the most recent, and descending order. Okay, and then I'm going to actually go file name. Okay, A to B, normal. All right, and I'm going to go down here. You don't have to mess with any of this. Okay, all that's the same. You actually can change the layout. I never do, but you can experiment with that if you want. Show items inside folders. Show all items without folders. Then number of items to display. I'm going to put 100 so I can see 100 things at a time. Yep, that's fine. This way you can see it on your phone. And okay. And it's applying, and here it is. Now I have a much more normal view of my files. And I actually prefer to look at files this way. It's easier. Now, when you start your day, when you log into OneDrive, it almost always will come here. So you have to click the little dots and click the view you just made. Now notice this all info is here. This is because I already have multiple views. So if you only make one view, it would be the first one to the right of all. So let me go back here to my view. Now we also can make views that show large files, small files, or just files that have been edited by other people. This looks very complicated, but it's showing all the different groups that my files have been shared with. You don't need this. Obviously, you can just use this, just the normal shared with, but I find it pretty handy.